Hello and welcome. It's Stitchfix time. I'm just gonna get it out there. I got a big Stitchfix box and I bought one of those style things, you know, where they send you things and you can randomly just buy it. And I bought it because it was on sale. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like it enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so you get notified of all my future videos, and a thumbs up. So if you're returning, thank you. I hope you give me your honest opinion on these clothes, and let's get into it. As we all know, Stitchfix is a styling service. You can get it whenever you want to. I knocked it down to a monthly. And I know they're taking away the style pass or something. I don't know any details about it. I haven't heard any gossip about it, what they're doing. I paid $49 for a style pass, and I was getting it like, I get it, buy something, not buy something, and then I'd return it. And then they'd send me another one, and it's like overload of clothes. So I knocked it down to once a month, and I got to preview 10 of the items, and I think I picked one out of the 10, and then she filled in the rest. So let's see what I got. So I got this bundle, and I see something white in there, and I'm not really a white person because I get so dirty. It's so dusty here. And what we do, we get so dirty, but you never know, not until you try it on. And then I got this handbag, and I had been eyeing this handbag. It's leather and it's blue and brown. The only thing, and I had it in my, you know, the stash you can do, the one-offs you can order. And if you keep stuff in there, they can view that. So just a little hint. So if you put 10 items in that little stash, you know, I want to buy it, I'm interested in buying it, they can pull from that, which is what they did with this bag, because I had it in there thinking, do I want to buy it? Do I not want to buy it? But I'd only buy it if they put it in there, and I bought a 5 for $5 because it's pricey, but I'm really liking it. My only problem is, you'll see when I do the Tryon, it's not a shoulder strap, it goes under. So because I'm a little chesty, there's not a whole lot of room for it to go under. So you'll see that problem. Plus I'd had to see it in person because as I thought, it's a little pricey for me. And so we'll put that to the side, and then there's the empty envelope because it must have fallen out. We have the return envelope, and I notice when they send like boots and shoes and big items like this, the envelope isn't always big enough to do the return. So what's up with that? Do they want you to keep everything so they don't send you a big envelope? And then they have the stylist card, and I have Susie, I've had her for years, and how to style things, and the note that I always read in private, and then the prices that, you know, I don't want to fall off my chair. And there's another piece of paper in here. Stitch Fix Style Forecast for 2024. I guess what's going to be in. So we'll put this on the bottom. And then I have my package of what I ordered. It was a sweater, it was on sale, so you never know. So I showed you the purse, and I will try it on with the couple of the outfits. And let's get in, oh my God, to the bundle. So is it raining by you? Is it snowing by you? I know the Super Bowl is this weekend. Are you going to watch the Super Bowl? Do you watch it just for the commercials? That's what I always watch it for. Unless my team was actually in the Super Bowl, which I think happened maybe once or twice in my life. I didn't know who the teams were, so I watched it for the Clydesdales. And so we're probably gonna watch the Super Bowl for the commercials and the food. You know, we make a bunch of food. So the first item is by Pink Clover. It's the Nivea Flutter Sleeve Knit Top, and it's a blue large. This is what it looks like. I'm not crazy about these sleeves. I mean, I have Batman arms to begin with, and I don't need anything to make him look fluffier. It's a cute top. I mean, just kind of a throw on with jeans top, but I'm not sure how it's gonna fit in the arms and make me look bigger than I am. And then we have, looks like a hoodie, and it's Market and Spruce Allison lace up in hoodie in a pink large. I'm not a big hoodie person. I don't really like the things going over my head and scrunching up my hair. You know, only if I know I'm gonna be standing by a fire, or if we're like on the motorcycle and it's light weather outside, and then I can put it up over my head or something. But it's cute and it's very, very soft, and I do like the color. So that's that one. And this is actually the shirt that I picked out, and I thought it was more pink. It's got a violet to it. It's Kylie, made in Mexico. Marley Raglan sleeve knit top, dark pink in a large. And I thought this looked super comfortable for these kind of wet, cold, rainy days. But it did it. It looked more pinkish. This kind of looks like a, I don't know, like a violet. So I don't know how it's gonna look with my skin tone. And then I got a coffee shop corduroy fleece reversible shacket. I think this is my first shacket. I had never heard that term before, never. And then I saw on Reviews with Sue, she got a shacket and she just loved it. And then I hear that term on a lot of YouTubers' channels. I'm like, what the heck is this shacket? So I got one. I got my first one. And they're calling it white. As I said, I'd be afraid it would get dirty. It looks cute. And I guess it's reversible. So let's see what I would reverse it into, because maybe that color would be better, but I just never heard that term before. It's like jacket, I've heard of that, and you know, you go and you grab your jacket, but I just never heard that term. So this is the inside. Now I like the inside, very soft. But I'm not a big plaid wearer, so I don't know what I would so I'm so confused. So I'm gonna go do the Tryon. I got no pants or anything or shoes in here, so it's just all tops in that handbag. So I'm gonna be right back with my Tryon. Okay, I forgot to show you the sweater that I ordered. I wanna say this was like $20. This is what it looks like. I will do a try-on for you. It's a little sparkly. I didn't quite see that in there, and it kind of like itchy, so I don't know how it's gonna look. But I thought it was kind of cute when I saw it on their website. So again, I'll be right back with that try-on. Okay, I am back with that first shirt that I didn't like the sleeves because they just kind of hang there like Batman sleeves. And I have on that purse that I'm afraid is gonna kind of slip off my shoulders so far. Of course, I have nothing in there. I like it. I've got on the Pink Clover Navy Flutter Sleeve Knit Top in blue in a large, and it's $36. I mean, it doesn't really do anything for me. It's a cute top. So if I needed to buy the whole box, it might work, but not super crazy about it. And this is a Tahari handbag. It's the Joplin Hobo in navy. And the price is $148. So it's pricey, and I thought, well, if I get it in a Stitch Fix with the buy all, I save 25%, which is a nice savings. But again, with summer coming up, and it's got the Tahari on the back here, and let me show you the inside. It's a really nice bag. I don't want to take the paper off of it because if I don't keep it, it just snap closes, but it's got a lot of room in there. And it's got the pockets for a cell phone and, you know, some makeup and stuff in there. So I do like the bag. This is definitely my style. But again, since I don't work and I really don't travel where I would use this bag, I'm more of a crossover person, so I don't know. So I'll be right back with the next piece. Okay, I have on this jacket, and all I can say, this fits like a robe. It is so, so soft. I would probably wear this all the time. I'm one of those people that get cold even when it's 100 degrees outside. People laugh at me because I take my jacket everywhere. I keep it in my car, so when we go to a restaurant, even if we're sitting in an outdoor restaurant, I grab my jacket. And this thing is just so comfortable. It fits at a good length. The sleeves are perfect. I mean, I just love this thing. And I'm gonna try and reverse it. I'm not too crazy about plaids. I never have been. But I see plaids everybody's wearing plaids. And I noticed even on the Temu hauls, people are buying those plaid shirts because they're comfortable, they can wear them around the house. I've never been a plaid person. I think it makes me look, you know, chunkier. So I am going to reverse my jacket. So this is how it looks this way. And as I said, I'm just not crazy about the this way, but I love the way it feels. It's like I'm wearing a robe, and I can wear a robe outside. So let me know what you think. Let me give you the deets on this one. This is the Coffee Shop Corduroy Fleece Reversible Jacket in Off-White Large, and it's $68. So I don't know if that's a lot, to be honest. It's got substance to it. It fits great. I don't know if that's a lot. I mean, it's a little more than a sweater, but you can get so much use out of it. You can grab it, throw it on, and go. So I'm really kind of liking my jacket. So let me know what you think. And I'm going to be back with the next sweater. Okay, I am back. Of course, I think hockey when I wear this. And this is the Market and Spruce Allison Lace Up Ribbed top in pink, size large. And it's $48. Super, super comfortable, super soft. The sleeves fit perfect, and you can even cuff them. And I mean, again, it's a great throw on. I've been wearing my same jeans, and these jeans are, they're probably from Stitchfix, that they're a skinny jean that I can wear with boots. And I'll turn around. It's got the hoodie, and to be honest, the hoodie doesn't really bother me. It's not a big, thick, clunky hoodie. So, you know, it gives me that room for my big old belly. But let me know what you think of this. I mean, these are just great, like, in between weather pieces. So I'll be right back. I think I have 2 more sweaters. Okay, I'm back with the Kaylee Marley Raglan sleeve knit top in dark pink in a large. This is the one I picked. It's $39. As I said, the color really wasn't what it looked like, but again, the sleeves fit perfect. It comes to a great length down here. Turn around. I think it'll fit back out. You know, I'll have to watch the video back to make sure. Of course, I have these jeans are like a low ride, which I don't ask for, but they send them, and then of course they slowly slip down, so it like doesn't do nice things to my stomach area. But I think it's a nice top, very, very soft. So I'm gonna be right back with that sweater that I bought on my own that now I'm scared to try on because I think it's gonna itch. So right back. I'm back with this last piece that already it's itching right here where this, I don't know, sequency kind of stuff is. I don't know if I wash it and it goes away, but it's a cute sweater. I like it. It comes up, you know, a little high for me. It's not as long as I thought it was gonna be. It's not like I measure anything, but it is cute, but it just itches like right here. And you can send these when you buy them separately. They send you a return label and you can send them back on your own. So I think I might do that. So let me get and just do a recap on my fix. So if I bought everything, the stylist pick is $339, which is kind of a high fix. The buy all discounted 25% takes off $84.75, which brings it to $254.25 for 5 pieces. And I love the jacket, and it includes that $148 handbag. And of course they charge tax, God knows what the tax is. So if I bought all those pieces, it would be $254. And if I returned this item, I get like $20 credit. So then I'd be spending like $234. So let me know what you think. Let me know what your favorite piece was in this. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.